Hi there, and welcome to English Beginner channel. In this video, we'll be talking about English conversation in a school setting. We'll cover a variety of situations that you may encounter in school, such as making new friends, preparing for exams, and going on field trips, and provide examples of English conversations you might have in each of these situations. So, if you're looking to improve your English skills in a school or academic setting, this video is for you. Let's get started. Situation 1. Two students meeting for the first time.
Hi, I don't think we've met before. My name is Sarah.
Hi Sarah, I'm Alex. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. What classes are you taking this semester?
I'm taking a mix of science and humanities courses. How about you?
Same here. I'm taking a few English and history classes, as well as a biology class.
That's cool. Do you have any hobbies or interests outside of school?
Yeah, I really love reading and writing. I also enjoy hiking and spending time outdoors. What about you?
I'm really into playing music. I play guitar and drums, and I've been in a few bands in the past.
That's awesome. Maybe you can teach me how to play guitar sometime.
Sure, I'd be happy to. Do you want to grab lunch sometime this week and talk more about our interests?
Yeah, that sounds great. How about Thursday afternoon? There's a new sandwich place that just opened up near campus.
Perfect, I'll meet you there at noon.
Situation 2. Two students talking about their term break.
Hey, how was your term break?
It was great. I went on a road trip with my family to the beach.
That sounds like so much fun. Did you go swimming and surfing?
Yeah, we spent a lot of time at the beach. I also tried paddle boarding for the first time.
Wow, that's awesome. I stayed at home and caught up on some reading and movies.
That sounds relaxing. Did you read any good books or watch any good movies?
I read To Kill a Mockingbird for my English class and watched The Shawshank Redemption for the first time.
Both of those are great. Did you like them?
Yeah, I loved them. I can see why they're both classics.
Definitely. Did you do anything else over the break?
I also volunteered at a local animal shelter for a day. It was really fulfilling to help out with the dogs and cats.
That's amazing. You have such a big heart. It sounds like you had a great break too.
Yeah, it was a good balance of relaxing and doing something meaningful.
Situation 3. Two students discussing an upcoming school event.
Hey, have you heard about the school talent show next week?
Yeah, I have. I'm really excited for it.
Me too. Have you decided what you're going to perform yet?
Not really. I was thinking about maybe doing a dance routine. But I'm not sure.
That sounds cool. I was thinking about singing, but I'm not sure if I have the nerve to get up on stage.
I bet you'd be great. You have an amazing voice.
Ah, thanks. Maybe we could practice together and come up with something together?
Yeah, that sounds like a good idea. Let's plan to rehearse after school tomorrow.
Situation 4, two students discussing their homework.
Hey, did you finish the math homework from last night?
Yeah, I stayed up pretty late working on it. How about you?
I only finished half of it. I got stuck on problem number 3.
Oh, I remember that one. Do you want me to go over it with you?
That would be really helpful, thanks.
No problem. Let's meet up after school and we can work on it together.
Sounds good. Do you have any other classes after school today?
Yeah, I have English class, but it's not a big deal. We can work on the math homework for a little while and then I can finish it later tonight.
Okay, let's meet in the library after school. I'll bring my math textbook and notes.
Great, I'll bring my notebook and we can compare our answers. We'll figure it out together.
Situation 5, meeting with a teacher.
Hi, Ms. Johnson. I was wondering if I could talk to you for a few minutes after class.
Of course, is everything okay?
Yeah, I just have a question about the assignment we got last week.
Sure, what's your question?
I'm a little confused about the instructions for the essay. Could you go over them with me again?
Absolutely. Let's take a look at the instructions together. Do you have them with you?
Yes, I have them right here.
Great. So, for the essay, you need to choose a topic related to the theme of the novel we're reading and write a 3-page essay on it.
Right, I remember that part. But I'm not sure how to structure the essay.
Okay, let's break it down. First, you'll need to have an introduction that grabs the reader's attention and introduces your thesis statement. Then, you'll have 3 body paragraphs, each one focusing on a different aspect of your topic. And finally, you'll have a conclusion that wraps everything up and leaves the reader with something to think about.
Okay, I think I understand now. Thank you for explaining that to me.
You're welcome. Is there anything else you're still unsure about?
No, that's all. Thanks again for your help, Ms. Johnson.
No problem. Remember, if you have any more questions, don't hesitate to ask. That's what I'm here for.
Situation 6, two students going on a field trip.
Hey, are you excited for the field trip tomorrow?
Yeah, I can't wait. Where are we going again?
We're going to the Science Museum downtown. They have a new exhibit on space exploration.
That sounds awesome. What time do we need to be at school tomorrow?
The bus is leaving at 9 a.m. sharp, so we should be at school by 8:45 a.m. at the latest.
Got it. Do we need to bring anything with us?
Just make sure you have comfortable shoes and a jacket. We'll be doing a lot of walking and it might be chilly in the museum.
Okay, I'll make sure to pack those. Do we need to bring lunch or snacks?
No, the school is providing lunch for us. But you might want to bring some extra money if you want to buy any souvenirs at the museum gift shop.
Good idea, thanks for the tip. I'm really looking forward to this trip.
Me too. It's going to be a fun and educational day.
Situation 7, 2 students preparing for an exam.
Hey, have you started studying for the history exam next week?
Yeah, I've been going over my notes and reading the textbook. How about you?
I haven't really started yet. I'm not sure where to begin.
Well, I made a study guide that might help. Do you want to look at it together?
That would be great. Thanks.
No problem. I organized it by chapter and made sure to include all the important events and dates.
Wow, this is really helpful. How did you remember all of this information?
I made flashcards for each chapter and went through them a few times each day. It really helped me remember everything.
I should start doing that too. Thanks for the tip.
No problem. Do you want to study together this weekend? We can quiz each other on the flashcards and go over any questions we have.
Yeah, that sounds like a good idea. Let's meet at the library on Saturday afternoon.
Perfect, I'll see you then.
Situation 8, 2 students discussing their exam results.
Hey, how did you think you did on the history exam?
I think I did pretty well. How about you?
I'm not sure. I felt like I struggled with a few of the essay questions.
Yeah, those were tough. But I think we both did better than we thought we would.
That's true. Have you checked your grade yet?
Not yet. I'm a little nervous to look.
I understand. I just checked mine and I got a B. What about you?
Wow, congratulations. I haven't checked yet, but I'm hoping for at least a B2.
I'm sure you did great. We studied together and you knew all the material.
Thanks, that means a lot. Do you want to grab some coffee and celebrate our grades after class?
Sure, I know a great cafe down the street. Let's meet there in half an hour.
Sounds good to me. See you there.
Situation 9, 2 students preparing for graduation.
Hey, can you believe graduation is only a month away?
I know, it's crazy. I feel like we just started high school yesterday.
I know, right? Have you picked out what you're going to wear yet?
Not yet, but I've been looking at some dresses online. How about you?
I'm thinking of wearing a suit. I want to look sharp for the ceremony.
That's a good idea. Are you planning on taking any photos with your family or friends?
Definitely. My parents already hired a photographer to take some pictures before and after the ceremony.
That's smart. I haven't thought that far ahead yet.
You should start thinking about it soon. Graduation day will be here before we know it.
I know. Have you thought about where you're going to college yet?
Yeah, I'm going to State University in the fall. How about you?
I'm still deciding between a few different colleges. It's a tough decision.
I know how you feel. But no matter where we end up going, I'm excited for the next chapter of our lives.
Me too. It's going to be an exciting and challenging journey.
Thanks for watching our video on English conversation in a school setting. Remember to practice the examples and strategies we covered in this video. And if you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and resources on English language learning. Thank you again and see you next time.